This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Melissa Iaria. Renovations underway. Projected completion date January 20, 2021. New flooring throughout, new kitchen cabinets and counters, choose your own new fridge, fresh painting and cleaning. Wow! This is a prime ground floor unit with a spectacular water view, screened patio with access door. Dual AC units and park right at your front door. Excellent rental-free and smoke-free building. Small pet allowed. Smile for more information, review the details below.